When researching the science behind how yoga helps the body heal and strengthen itself, I learnt many unsavory truths. One such truth, that in no shape or form does wind removing pose improve the health of your internal organs. During my teacher training program over 20 years ago, we had a doctor explain why wind removing pose was good for clearing out the colon. But as several leading proctologists have now pointed out to me, if you have a blockage in your colon, drink more water and go for a walk. That's 1,000 times better than this posture. However, a leading spine surgeon pointed out he always gets his patients to do wind removing pose because of its ability to safely pull open the spine and the neck. However, you must never pull down. You must always be expanding out to get that benefit. You are to lie down on your back, grab your knees, and then expand out the whole body. Lying straight on your back, grab your right knee and wiggle and play with the body to open the neck, hips, and shoulders. Then take a deep inhale. Exhale, push your knee away, relax open the hips and shoulders. Inhale, hold and maintain that expansion. Exhale, go again, relax and fully expand out the whole body. Change. Do the same for the other side, the left leg. Lift both legs up, grab the knees, wiggle and pre-open your structure. Open the neck, hips and shoulders. Inhale deeply. Push both knees away and relax open the hips and shoulders. Inhale. Hold and maintain that expansion. Exhale, go again. Relax and fully expand out the whole body. Change. Typically, we are told to pull inwards, which achieves absolutely nothing. It does not open out the joints, nor do you positively engage the body in any way. As with all yoga postures, you must create a dynamic open structure so that the synovial fluids can flow, lubricating the joints and spine. All the joints, the spine, the neck must be opening out, which is so easy to do and extremely rejuvenating. It's the best posture for upper spine and neck.